Hi foodies! Trending tiramisu latte, pwede na nang tikman dito sa Sampaloc. Nagba-viral nga ngayon ang tiramisu kaya di na kami nagpahuli pa at tinry na rin namin. Daan nga to ng daan sa FYP namin kaya naman hinanap talaga namin kung saan pwede makatikim ng sarap so much tiramisu latte. Grabe! What you see is what you get. Sarap so much sa videos and sarap so much din in real life. May drink and dessert ka na in one cup. Meron din silang matcha miso na perfect for matcha lovers. Napaka-rich and earthy ng matcha nila and we loved how it perfectly blends papadrink man or tiramisu. Nag-o-offer din sila ng variety of meals and pastries. Hindi talaga kami nagsisi that we tried their traditional carbonara fettuccine na made with egg. Grabe, napaka-authentic ng lasa. Their Biscoff Craffles is also a must-try. Ang sarap so much. Worth it ang price. Talagang food I approve. Sa mga taga-Ubelt or Sampaloc, you can try this sarap so much foods ng Coffee Daily. Located around Lerma Street, likod ng FEU Manila.